Hello? What are you looking for? Hmm? Mr. Tulusi? Hmm? What is that? You are looking for the bird outside. Hmm. You want to catch this bird? See? Oh, sorry. Sorry, my dear. Sorry. Hello? Hello? See? Look. Look at your posing there on my pillow. Hmm? Hmm? What is that? Hmm? Huh? Did you clean your bath? Excuse me. Did you clean your bath? Hmm? What is this? Hello? Hello, bebe. Hmm? Hmm? My goodness. Did you clean your bath? What I told you before you go on my bed, you need to clean your bath. Hello? Shame, shame. No more now the bird. The bird flew away. See? Look. No more now. Sorry. Sorry. Oh, you're wiggling your tail. That's mean you're okay. Can you invite all my friends to watch this video? Hello? Hello? Hello, Mr. Toulouse.